Hello friends, and welcome to our Strong Flow yoga practice. Over the next half an hour, we're going to build heat and stamina through powerful sequences that strengthen both body and mind. Move with intention, breathe with awareness, and let your inner strength shine through each pose. We'll start today's practice by coming into a wide-legged child's pose. Simply spread your knees wide. Sit the sit bones onto the heels as you walk the hands forward. Release your forehead onto the mat. Let's take a deep breath in through the nose. Exhale out through the nose. Begin to cultivate a powerful and strong ujjayi breath. Feel the cool air as you breathe in, and feel the warmth as you breathe out. This is fuel for your body, for your practice. It's soothing for the mind, and it warms the body from the inside out. So throughout our practice today, keep this ujjayi breath flowing, solid, steady, grounded. Hear the sound of your breath. Anchor your mind. Inhale. Exhale. And on your next breath in, rise up to your hands and knees into a tabletop pose. On your inhale, drop your belly, open your heart. Exhale, round the spine, chin to chest. Begin to flow. Inhale, opens. Exhale, contracts. Breathe in, fill the body with breath. Exhale, begin to push out any stagnant energy. Let's come back to center. Extend the left leg and the right arm. Reach powerfully in both directions, forward with the hand, back with the foot. Neutralize the spine by pulling the navel in toward the midline. Hold it here. Lower the hand and the knee. Let's move to the other side. Extend the right leg and the left arm, navel to spine. Keep the head in a neutral position so we're not cranking the neck to look forward. Just elongate everything from the foot, through the back, through the neck, and the arm. Lower the hand, lower the knee. Walk the hands one palm print forward. Let's step back into a high plank pose, shoulders over the wrists, heels over the toes. Feel the muscles of the core engage. Shift forward slightly and lower all the way down to your belly. Untuck the toes. As you inhale, come up into a baby cobra. Elbows are bent. Exhale and lower. Inhale, press a little higher this time. Exhale to lower. And again, inhale a little bit higher. Exhale, lower the chest. From here, tuck the toes, press straight up into high plank and back to downward facing dog. Pedal out through the feet. Begin to open through the hamstrings, the back of the legs stretching. Reach the sit bones high as you lower the chest toward the shins. Let the head be loose, the muscles of the neck disengaged. Breathe in and breathe out. Listen to the sound of your breath. Anytime you have a pause in your practice, come back to ujjayi breathing. Strengthen the breath. Gaze forward And when you're empty of air, step to the top of the mat, lengthen your spine, breathe in. Exhale, come into a forward fold. Inhale, rise to stand. Interlace the fingers except for the pointer fingers. Pull the arms beside the ears. As you exhale, side bend over to the right. Inhale, back to center. Exhale, open the arms wide, tucking the elbows into the sides, palms open. A gesture of receptivity. Inhale, sweep the arms overhead, interlacing the fingers. Exhale, side bend to the left. Inhale, back to center. And exhale, swan dive, forward fold. Inhale, get long. Exhale, lower the palms, step back to a high plank pose and lower halfway. Inhale, upward facing dog, shoulders over the wrists. Exhale, take an extra push up and press back, downward facing dog. Deep breath in, deep breath out. Keep the breath flowing with steady rhythm. Gaze forward, walk or jump to the top of the mat, lengthen your spine. Exhale, deepen your fold. Inhale, rise up to standing, interlacing the fingers except the pointers. Exhale, side bend right. Inhale, back to center. Exhale, open the arms wide, elbows tuck into the waist. Inhale, reach. Exhale, side bend left. Inhale, get tall. Exhale, forward fold. Inhale for length. Exhale, plant the palms, bend the knees, walk or jump back. Lower through your chaturanga. Inhale, upward facing dog. Heart leads the way. Exhale, extra push up and press back. Downward facing dog. Once again, coming back to that steady rhythm of breath. In and out. Anchor the mind. And then you've anchored the body. Gaze forward, walk or jump to the top of your mat. Inhale for length, exhale for depth. Inhale, arms open wide as you rise to stand. Interlace the fingers. Exhale, side bend over to the right. Inhale, center. Exhale, spread the arms wide, elbows tuck into the side body. Inhale, reach. Exhale, side bend left. Inhale, get tall, and exhale, swan dive, forward fold. Inhale, lengthen the spine. Exhale, walk or jump back, flowing through your vinyasa. Inhale, upward facing dog. Exhale, take the extra push up. Shoulders and elbows in line. Exhale, press it back, downward facing dog. Inhale, reach the right toes high. Exhale, right knee to right elbow. Inhale, reach. Exhale, right knee, left elbow. Inhale, reach high. Exhale, knee to nose. Inhale, extend. Exhale, step that right foot between the hands. Spin the back foot flat, angling the toes toward the top left corner of your mat. Inhale, rise up, warrior one. As much as you can without twerking the back knee, square the hips toward the center line of your mat. Interlace the fingers behind you, open the heart, open the chest. Keep pulling the fists away from the body as you hinge forward, coming into humble warrior, dropping that right shoulder to the inside of the right knee. Inhale, rise back up, Reach the arms up and overhead. Exhale, lower the palms down to the earth, spin onto the back toes, step back and lower through your chaturanga. Inhale, up dog. Exhale, downward facing dog. Inhale, left toes high. Exhale, knee to left elbow. Inhale, extend. Exhale, knee to right elbow. Inhale to reach. Exhale, down the midline. Inhale, reach it high. And exhale, step that foot between the hands. Spin the back foot flat. Rise up, warrior one. Squaring the hips, which in this case means pulling the right hip forward, left hip back. Find the steadiness in your pose. Reach around behind you, interlace the fingers, straighten the elbows, lift the heart up. Keep that heart lifting as you hinge forward, dropping the left elbow to the inside of the left knee. Breathe in, breathe out. Inhale, rise back up, reach the arms up and overhead. Exhale, plant the palms, step back and flow. Inhale, up dog. Exhale, downward facing dog. Feel free to take those extra push-ups if you'd like to up-level things a bit. Back to the steady breath. In and out through the nose. Inhale, right toes reach high. Exhale, right knee, right elbow. Inhale, reach. Exhale, knee to left elbow. Inhale, extend. Exhale, knee to nose. Inhale, reach it high. Exhale, step that foot between your hands. Spin the back foot flat. Rise up, warrior one. Interlace the fingers behind you. Open the heart and chest. Exhale, humble warrior. Inhale, rise back up, reach the arms overhead. Exhale, lower the palms, step back and flow. Keep the integrity of your poses, never rushing. Stay connected to breath. Inhale, left toes high. Exhale, knee to left elbow. Inhale, reach. Exhale, knee to right elbow. Inhale, reach it high. Exhale, knee to nose. Inhale, extend. And exhale, step that foot between the hands, back foot flat, rise up, warrior one. Exhale, hands interlace, open the heart and chest. Exhale into your humble warrior. Inhale, rise back up, reach the arms overhead. Exhale, lower the palms, step back, flow. Making sure to keep elbows in line with shoulders on your chaturanga. Downward dog. Inhale, right toes high. Exhale, right knee, right elbow. Inhale, reach. Exhale, knee to left elbow. Inhale, reach. Exhale, knee to nose. Inhale, extend. Exhale, step it forward, back foot flat. Rise up, warrior one. Exhale, hands interlace, open the heart, peel the shoulders back. Exhale, humble warrior. Inhale to rise, arms reach up and overhead. Exhale, hold it here, open the arms wide to the sides. And let's come into eagle arms, left arm under the right, cross the elbows and wrists. Pull the hands away from the body, elbows in line with shoulders. Inhale, reach the elbows to the sky. Exhale, fold, elbows inside of the knee. Inhale, reach, elbows high. Exhale to fold. Inhale, reach it high. Stay committed to your lunge. Exhale, fold it forward. Inhale, reach, come back to center. Softly spin onto your back toes. Begin to hinge forward. Find your balance. Balancing on the right leg. Coming into warrior three with eagle arms. Find a steady place to lock your eyes. Stay with your breath. Unwrap the arms, reach the arms wide to the sides. Breathe in. And as you breathe out, lower the palms to the mat, extend the left toes up to the sky, coming into standing splits. And sky might just mean back wall. That's okay. As you exhale, Shiva squat. Inhale, reach. Exhale, Shiva squat. Little to no weight in the hands. Extend. Exhale. Knee dropping as close as you can down to the ankle. And from here, let's step it back into our lunge. Inhale, sweep the right arm up to the sky, stacking the shoulders one on top of the other. One straight line of energy. Gaze up at your top hand and make sure that that right knee is still tracking over the right big toe. Extend the arm forward. Feel the stretch along the side body. Softly release that right hand back down to the mat. Spin the back foot flat. Straighten the front leg, and let's come into Trikonasana, triangle pose. Right hand extends down toward the ankle, left arm to the sky. Keep pressing into the pinky toe edge of your left foot, extending as much as you can through the side body. Inhale, rise up, warrior two. Adjust the feet as needed. One straight line of energy from right heel to the center of the left foot. Gaze over the right fingertips. Drop the shoulders down and away from the ears. Breathe. Inhale, straighten the front leg, reach the arms high. Exhale, come back to your warrior two. Inhale, reach. Exhale, lunge. Inhale, reach tall. Exhale, back to your warrior two. Hold it here. Flip the front palm open. Exhale, reverse warrior. Feel the opening and the stretch in the right side of your body. Inhale, back to warrior two. Exhale, lower the palms down to the earth. Spin onto the back toes. Straighten the front leg, coming into a modified pyramid pose on the back toes. Square the hips. Fold the torso over that right leg. See how much you can surrender here. To move deeper into this pose, take the weight out of the hands. Use your breath to create space and to deepen your posture. Inhale, lengthen your spine, rebend the right knee, and step back to high plank pose. Lower through your chaturanga. Inhale, upward facing dog. Exhale, extra push up if you're taking that. And maybe one more. Take a third if you'd like. And then press it back, downward facing dog. Breathe in and out. Let's prepare to take that same sequence on the other side. Gaze forward, walk or jump to the top of the mat. Inhale for length, exhale for depth. Inhale, sweep the arms up and overhead, bend the knees this time, Utkatasana. Sink back into the heels. Exhale, lower the palms, walk or jump back, flow through your chaturanga sequence, meeting in downward facing dog. Inhale, left toes high. Exhale, knee to left elbow. Inhale, reach. Exhale, knee to right elbow. Inhale, reach. And exhale, knee through the midline. Inhale, extend it tall. Exhale, step forward. Flatten the back foot, rise up. Warrior one. Reach around behind you, interlace the fingers, open the heart and chest. Keep the chest open as you hinge forward. Humble warrior. Inhale, rise back, warrior one. Open the arms wide. As you exhale, eagle arms, this time right arm underneath the left. Cross at the elbows and the wrist. Stay committed to your lunge as you reach the elbows tall. Exhale, drop the elbows inside of the left knee. Inhale, reach elbows to sky. Exhale, lower. Inhale, reach it tall. Exhale, lower. Inhale, reach. And then this time, let's come back to center. Come onto the right toes. Begin to shift the weight into the left foot. Come into your warrior three with eagle arms. Find your dristi, one steady point of focus for the eyes. Release the arms wide to a T. Hold it here. Exhale, lower the palms, lower the head. Extend the right toes up to the sky. And with little weight in the hands, come into your Shiva squat, dropping the right knee. Inhale, reach it tall. Exhale, knee as close to the ankle as you can. Reach high. Exhale, Shiva squat. Inhale to reach. From here, let's gently step back on the right toes, coming into our lunge. Flatten the right palm, extend the left hand up to the sky, stacking the shoulders one on top of the other. Reach that left arm forward. Feel the stretch through the left side of your body. Softly release left hand down to the mat. Flatten the back foot. We're moving into our triangle pose. Simply straighten that left leg. Reach the left fingertips down and the right fingertips to the sky. Pull that top hip back in space. As much as you can, think of stacking shoulders and hips in line with one another. Don't worry about how far down you are. Inhale, rise up, warrior two. Adjust your feet as you need to, making sure to keep a straight line of energy from the front heel to the center of your back foot. Inhale, reach the arms overhead. Exhale, this time hands through center. Inhale, reach. Exhale, hands through the center. Inhale to reach. Exhale, hands through the center. Stay in your warrior two. Flip the front palm open and reverse the warrior. Breathe in. Breathe out. Stay deep in your lunge, keeping the left knee on top of the left ankle. Rise back to warrior two. Exhale, extended side angle. Lower the left fingertips. And then let's spin onto the back foot, straighten the front leg, coming into our modified pyramid pose, staying on the ball of the back foot. Square the hips as much as you can. Release some of the weight out of the hands as you fold the torso over the front leg. Use your breath to dissolve the tightness, to let go of the tension. Breathe it in. Exhale, let it go. Inhale, lengthen your spine, rebend the left knee, step back to high plank, lower through your vinyasa. Inhale, upward facing dog, come to plank, lower halfway, press up. Lower halfway, press it up. Again, lower and lift. This time we're going to spin open into side plank. Left hand is the foundation. Right arm reaches high. Come back to center. Lower halfway, press it up. Come to side plank on the other side. Right hand stays grounded. Back to center. Lower halfway. Inhale, upward facing dog. Exhale, back to down dog. Breathe it in. Right toes reach high. Exhale, come into a well-deserved pigeon pose. Right knee behind the right wrist. Flex the right toes. Extend the left leg behind you. Walk the hands forward. Rest the forehead on the mat. Take this opportunity to start to wind down your practice. Come into softness. We've had a strong practice. Now it's time to create some balance with deep stretch and relaxation. So simply relax and let your body unwind. Inhale, walk it back up. Tuck the back toes. Reach the right toes back and extend them up. Bend the right knee. If you'd like to flip the dog, you can go ahead and open up, setting the right toes to the outside edge of your mat. Heart opens wide. Let's come back to downward facing dog. Inhale, left toes reach up to the sky. Exhale, pigeon pose. Make sure to flex the left foot. Inhale to open the heart. And exhale, imagine that your heart is leading the way, not the head, not the shoulders. Settle into this posture. Breathe deep. As you inhale, gently walk yourself back up. Tuck the right toes, step back, extend the left leg up to the sky, bending the knee. If you're flipping your dog, go ahead and take flip dog. Open the heart and the chest. Let's come back to center, pressing into downward facing dog one last time. From here, we'll simply lower the knees down to the mat and spin around onto the sit bones. Extend the legs forward, bend the knees, and roll down to your back. Let's take a spinal twist. Pull the right knee into the body. This is a pose all to its own, so feel free to stay longer if you'd like. And when you're ready, move into your spinal twist, bringing that right knee across the body, gazing over the right shoulder. Inhale back to center and let's switch sides. Left knee into the midline. As you're ready, take your twist. Inhale back to center. Hug both knees into the chest. Give yourself a big squeeze. Squeeze every muscle in your body. And as you exhale, let it go. Come into Shavasana. The work is done outwardly. Now let the inward work begin. Rest in stillness. Let the mind and body unite, fully present in this time, in this space, just for a moment. Begin to deepen your breath. On your inhale, reach the arms overhead for a full body stretch. Hug the knees in and gently make your way up to a comfortable seat. Keep the attention within. Inhale, sweep the arms up and overhead. Exhale, draw the hands to the third eye center for clarity of mind. Hands to the lips for clarity and kindness of speech. Hands to the heart for thoughtfulness of being. Have a beautiful day. Namaste, yogis. It means so much that you shared this time with me. If this practice was valuable to you, please like the video and tell me what stood out for you in the comments. And if you haven't already, subscribe so that we can continue our growth journey together.